How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to talk to you about Hyliion today because they had some pretty big news that came out that sent the stock up 33%. Now, we have not seen this one move in a little while. I mean, it's been sitting right around $16 for a long time, it seems like, over a week. And now it's spiked up to $21. So I want to cover the news. I want to talk about Hyliion for the first time in a while because I haven't talked about it in general, and I want to give you my thoughts on their business plan as a whole. So if you guys like this, please leave a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Please hit subscribe too. I'm just going to keep this really short for you guys. If you guys want some free stock, there is a link down there to WeBull. If you want to deposit $100, you can get some free stock. It does help out the channel, so I appreciate that. Also, there's a link down there to BlockFi if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies and use the platform that I use. They give it a nice interest rate too, depending on what you have in there and what kind of stablecoin or cryptocurrency you want to hold. I get everything from 5.25 on Ethereum up to 8.6 on GUSD, which is a stablecoin. There's also a link down there in case you want to see my Patreon and know exactly when I buy and sell different stocks, and you can definitely check out that link down there for that. So Hyliion is the company we're looking at today. It was down to $15.45, and then it spiked up on some news and went up 43% at one point. Now, they just put this on their website today. They introduced a next generation battery module to improve performance and efficiency. The new design features advanced cooling technology to enable longer battery life, higher charging rates, and improved safety. It also features industry-leading Toshiba LTO battery cells. They say whether it's our hybrid system or our fully electric powertrain, Hyliion solutions are designed to give customers the greatest flexibility as they transition to electrified transportation. The development of this next-generation battery module represents a key milestone in the hybrid commercialization process, further strengthening our overall technology platform as we innovate future solutions. Leveraging previous battery experience and incorporating enhancements for improved battery cooling, the new module delivers multiple benefits tied to the performance and allows for more than 40% improvement in cooling compared to the previous system. So they say that this is capable of up to 5 times as much cycle life as a conventional EV battery, higher charging rates, improved heat dissipation, allows for higher charge and discharge rates of the battery and longer sustained power output. Speed, the battery can be charged in under 8 minutes. An unprecedented charge time compared to other EV battery solutions, which I think that's a crazy quick time. And then they say the new module design reduces the operating temperatures of the cells, allowing for a safer operating environment. The design has already passed UN 38.3 battery testing procedures and offers improvements to withstand the stresses and rigors incurred on the road. Now, this system is really interesting because if you don't know about Hyliion, they can install this hybrid system on most major Class 8, so like semi-truck, commercial vehicles to help reduce fuel usage, decrease greenhouse gas emissions, and improve performance and reduce operating costs. I really like this news. I like it for a couple different reasons. First of all, it's just going to last longer. Second of all, it can be charged so quickly, which is really important for businesses in general. I mean, I think a lot of people will like that extra flexibility. Now, I have never bought this company. I'll be honest with you. I held it for a while, I believe, but I sold it a while ago, and I have not bought it again. But if we just look at their investor presentation, they are ramping up revenue this year. So they say here they're expecting $8 million in revenue for 2021. They have their next call on the 24th. So I'm really interested. I'll be tuning into that to see what comes out of that, because if it's positive, I might be pretty bullish on the stock. I'll be honest with you. They're expecting revenue to blow up, commercialization to blow up in 2022. The fact that they can offer a hybrid solution is awesome, but it's only awesome for a short period of time in that it's great for all the people that want to convert soon. But I think we're really going to turn to electric down the road. And the hydrogen system that they have that they want to make their main semi in is going to be far down the line. There has to be a hydrogen network to be put out and built out there, which is very expensive. So I was not as bullish on this long term, but the fact that they're building something this innovative short term, I think will definitely help them. Will definitely bring customers in. Now, again, like I said, I will be paying attention to this because this is kind of game changing if they're able to actually charge batteries in under 8 minutes, if they're able to ramp up. I like Thomas Healy as the CEO, a really young guy. He was in Forbes 30 under 30, really successful guy. And really, I think one of the problems with HYLN is just the fact that they have not made a lot of noise. They don't put out information all the time just to try to push up the stock. Healy in general doesn't try to hype anything up. He's a straight shooter, it seems like, but he seems really good at what he does. Now, we can see it starting to fall a little bit more. I think some people will sell out, but if this falls down back to where it was or even close, this is definitely going to be something to take a look at and something to keep on your radar. Now, I don't think we'll necessarily see numbers as low as we had before. I don't think we'll get back to the $15, $16 range like we were at for so long before. But I could see it coming back down to 19 to 20, pretty much what it is now, just a little bit lower because we did go up so much today. I think I could see some people taking some more profits and it falling off a little bit more. So if it gets, into the low 19s, which I think it will, I'll take a look at it. If it gets to the $17, $18 range, I'll really take it seriously. Now, again, I'm going to be paying attention to that call here in just a couple weeks. Now, in their investor presentation, they say they have customer trials in 2021 for their Hypertruck ERX. So I really want to see where they're at in this whole endeavor, if they're already able to produce these in mass or are already commercializing this side of their business, and if they have more pre-orders for these. After that, I might consider buying. I might even consider buying before that, but I'll see how I feel over the next couple days, see what the price action is. But again, I think this could be a very interesting opportunity to get into a company that, if they can actually ramp up their hydrogen solution, and they can actually, commercialize that pretty quickly and build up a network or use a network of hydrogen fueling systems, I think this company could do well. I mean, it's sitting right around a $3 billion market cap now, and they're expecting to grow revenues very quickly here soon. So it might be an interesting spec play. Now, let me know your thoughts on this down below. Let me know if this is something that you're interested in or whether you're not touching it with a 10-foot pole. I appreciate it, guys. Let me know if you want me to cover more Hyliion in the future, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to see my video on some BNGO news that just came out today, definitely check out this video here on the end screen. Again, there's all that information for WeBull and BlockFi and Patreon down below, and I'll see you in this video. Bye.